The mic and I guess I'm back. Hold up. Ha, guess who's back? Rock is on the mic and I guess I'm back. And it be me, the dope MC, starting with the E. Watch you feel with glee when I grab the MIC. And you demons know not to battle, just a snake with a rattle. I grab the mic and watch it skedaddle. Because now, you and your mama know I don't do this show unless I read the book of Job. Is your crew like the irrigated way I disperse these non-personal verbs? Keep your head out the hearse, cause the only skins I hit is the pins with me friends. Make you rhyme, wanna get up and sin again. Listen, I be that brother that be coming from another mother. I am that Jesus Christ brother coming undercover. I'm like a spy detective on your case. And listen up, style, this rock is in the place. And if you didn't understand his attack, ow, ka-choo, rock is straight back. Ha, yes I'm back. Ha, yes I'm back. Yo, rock on the mic and I guess I'm back. Come on, you said the brother 90s, I came back home. That's okay because I'm stacked and I'm back. Oh, yes I'm back. What? Yes I'm back. Come on, E-Rock on the plate, so I guess I'm back. Ha! If you didn't understand, here's the tag. And tiptoe your butt out and say that's why. Come on. And throw your hands up. Hey. And throw your hands up. Hey. Come on. And throw your hands up. Hey. What can I say? What can I say? I'm back. That's right. That's right. I'm coming for y'all. Call me what you will, but I'm that NYC rock.